everyone, myself Neha Masood, career counselor from last 8 years and currently working with Ashay Education and authorized center of Ask Titans Dubai branch. Ashay Education is representing Ask Titans in Dubai to impart coaching for foundations, engineering and medical examination preparations. Ask Titan is providing services through offline classroom programs which ensures personalized attention and aim at developing the conceptual knowledge of our students. We always keep students first and strive hard to continue to meet the needs of our students. In view of safety of the students against coronavirus, we are glad to announce now on urgent need of online classes for all students, we have started online e-learning classes for students from 8th grade to 12th by our highly qualified and excellent faculty. Now let's have a look on the view on e-learning online classes. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. I am Dr. Adi Fulde, a senior biology expert at Ashay Education Support Services, which is an authorized KHDA approved center of Ask IITians in Dubai. I am from the financial capital of India, Mumbai. By profession, I am a general physician and a medical doctor, and by passion, I am a teacher. In the year 2015 to 17, I was associated with Liravati Hospital, Mumbai in cardiology department. I am teaching students since last 12 years and have given 800 plus selections in NEET. The reason for coming to Dubai is to give quality education to the students studying in Dubai. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. This is Shiv Kumar Dubele. I am a physics expert at Ashay Education Support Services, which is an authorized center of Ask IITians in Dubai. I have done my BTech from Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal, and I was selected from the campus itself in a reputed coaching institute, and I have been teaching since then. I have a total teaching experience of more than 6 years, during which I have given countless number of selections in various competitive exams like JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, NEET, KVPY, etc.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Zaid Usmani. I am a mechanical engineer. I graduated from NIT Bhopal in 2016. I have been teaching maths from the first year of my engineering, and I have a total 6 years of experience. I am a gold medal holder in Professor Maths Contest in 2003, and I have also received Mayor Trophy in 2008. During my engineering, I presented a research paper at International Conference in 2015. After I graduated, I joined Allen Career Institute, and presently I am the mathematics teacher at Ashay Education Services, an authorized center of Ask IITians Dubai. In JEE 2020 January attempt, 4 of my students scored above 99 percentile. Over the past years, I have given numerous selections in competitive exams like JEE and NEET. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Kunal Kumar Singh. I am a chemistry expert at Ashay Education Dubai, which is an authorized center for Ask IITians. I have graduated in chemical engineering from NIT Durgapur in the year 2016. Since then, I have been teaching chemistry. Over the past 4 years, I have given 400 plus selections in JEE Mains, Advanced, NEET, KBPY, SAT. And also, a lot of my students have scored 800 on 800 in SAT subject test.
What is online or e-learning? Online learning is an education that takes place over the internet. It is referred to as e-learning. However, online learning is just one type of distance learning. Now let me tell you about the key benefits of e-learning. Number 1 point, e-learning saves time. Number 2, e-learning is consistent, scalable and offers personalization. Number 3, it promotes active learning. Number 4, online learning accommodates everyone's needs. Number 5, lectures can be taken in any number of times. Number 6, it offers access to updated content. Number 7, quick delivery of lessons can always happen.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Zaid Usmani, the Mathematics faculty at Asha Education Services. Now let us see what type of device will you need for e-learning. You need any PC or laptop having 1 GHz or faster processor, operating system Windows 7 or minimum 4 GB RAM, a high-speed internet connection, a headset with microphone and a webcam. Or you can use a mobile or iPad having minimum 2 GB RAM with a decent camera.
Hello everyone, this is Kunal Kumar Singh. I am the chemistry faculty here at Asha Education Dubai. I am going to walk you through how we typically take an online class with the students here. So let's get started with that. So the first thing that we do to start a class is log into the Zoom app. So when we click on the Zoom, this is what we get. Now once we click on the new meeting, so we get this screen. This is the first interface that we get, and when we wish to start the class, we can just click on the share option, which basically shares the screen. Now out of all the available options, I can go on show them the Google or YouTube videos that we want to show. You can also share the white screen here, which is also called as whiteboard, and this is where we can write using the writing pad that we have here. So suppose if I wish to start teaching chemistry, I can just start teaching chemistry here, and we are also equipped with all the basic tools that we need. For example, if I wish to write something, I can write here. For example, hello. I can also wish to draw different shapes. For example, in physics, we wish to draw blocks at times. We can also use eraser to erase the content that we don't want. And there are many other features that we can have. We have classes running. We can see all the students who are there using the screen, and you can also mark attendance of the students looking at their names, and you can also talk to them on a group basis or on individual basis also.
Now let's learn about how does these e-learning classes work. In online e-learning classes, the teacher and the students, they join on a common virtual classroom platform. In these kind of platforms, the teacher can use a camera and he can write on the whiteboard, or he or she can use input devices like a pen tablet to write and a mic and webcam to record their visuals. This gives the virtual presence of the teacher in the class. Students also need a laptop or a PC or a mobile phone where they will be attending the lecture through the same common platform. Now the next question is, can parents also see the lecture? Yes. If parents wants to monitor the lecture, they can also join the lecture through some other PC or mobile phone, or they can watch through the same student ID. Now, how many students can join this particular platform at the same time? It does not depend actually on the numbers of the student. It's up to the class. The bigger the class, the more the students can join that particular classroom platform, provided the internet connection should not be hampered. The internet connection should be of high speed so that it can catch the high bandwidth produced by all these inputs from various other users.
Let me elaborate about the key benefits of e-learning. Number one, you are able to link various resources in several varying formats. Number two, it is a very efficient way of delivering courses online. Number three, due to its convenience and flexibility, the resources are available from anywhere and at any given time. Number four, as you have access to the internet 24/7, you can train yourself anytime. Number five, it is a very convenient and flexible option. Above all, you don't have to depend on anyone for anything. Number six, not only can you train yourself on a day-to-day basis, but also on weekends or whenever you have the free time to. There is no hard and fast rule over here. Number seven, through discussion boards and chats, you are able to interact with everyone online and also clear your doubts if any. And number eight, the live lecture recordings that are provided for audio and video learning can be rewinded and seen and heard again and again. And if you do not happen to understand the topic for the first time, you can